This is Pimotech Education Service where academic content flows. Again, it's me, your tutor, Sempija Dennis, to take you through Microsoft Word. And today's lesson is about how to insert in mathematical formulas, equations, and diagrams. This is Microsoft Word. This is the way it looks like. We talked about its interface. To insert diagrams in Word document, what we do, we go to the tab Insert. You click on tab Insert. After clicking Insert, we begin with drawing a text box in order to get perfect drawings. So, below the Insert tab in the ribbon, you look for the text box. It's here. You click on its down arrow. The variety of text box appears and you click on draw the text box. You click on draw text box and you start drawing a text box that is wide enough to fit in your diagram. So this one is enough for us to draw a Venn diagram. After that, you come to format here where you are seeing my cursor. There is word format. You click on format and you go on the left corner where there is shape, insert shape, and you start looking for the shape you want to insert in your text box. We bring this one, you draw. You draw that. Even you can position it by left click, hold and drag from there to get now a Venn diagram, because let us use 3 sets. So this is a first set. To get another 3 sets, the shortcut without going back to bring another shape, what we do, you control and hold and press C. That is copy. You copy that diagram. Again, you control and hold and you press V to paste it. That's now the second shape. Again, you control and hold V. That is the third shape. Now you start arranging them the way you want them to appear. To arrange them, you left click and hold and you start dragging. You left click and hold in the set you want to move and drag for it to move in any direction you want. Now this is the set we are creating. So after that, you come and click in the set. That is a one set. You control and hold, and click in another set to select another one. Again, you go to another one, to the third one. You control and hold and click in that set. So you go to format and you look where there is shape fill. Shape fill, you click on shape fill and you click no fill, like that. After clicking no fill, you click outside the Venn diagram for selection box to disappear. Again, now we are going to name each set. So to name these sets, what we do, again we go to the tab Insert and we bring in text box, because we are going to put in some text. Now you come to text box here and click draw text box. Now you draw that. After drawing this text box, you come and click on it. You click on this text box and copy. To copy, you control C. Now you count the place where you want to write. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6. Now you paste 6 boxes. You control and paste. Control V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 6 boxes. Now you start transferring them in the place where you want to write. You bring a cursor on the text box, you click on it. Once it turns into four arrows, you drag to the place where you want to write. Come and click on it, you drag. If it's too big to fit in the place where you want to write, you size. You bring a cursor on these dots. Bring a cursor on these dots. Once it taps, it turns into a double arrow, you reduce. When it makes 4 arrows, that is a transfer or a moving that can help you to move the box, like this one. This one helps to move the box. Now, this type of cursor helps to reduce the box, like that. This one helps to move the box, like that. And this one helps to size it. Now, after that, it means our sets are ready to be labeled. Now, let us name this one MK, this one Noob, this one DP. Now, this one we give it 5. This one, let us say they share 2. This one they share 3. This one. The next step is to remove the text box. So to remove the text box, you select them. You bring the cursor. Once it turns into a 4 arrow, you control and click to select it. You wait the cursor to turn into the 4 arrow, you click. You wait the cursor to turn into 4 arrow, you control and click. You control and click. Even this one, we should remove it. This one. To remove them, you go to fill. You see, there is shape fill and shape outline. So you come to shape outline. You click the drop down arrow and you say no outline. From there, you click outside. You can increase the size of this letter as usual, as we normally do it in Word. Selecting the one you want to be increased. Now, that is how we insert Venn diagrams or set in Word document. The second part is how to insert in formulas and equations. To do that, again we go to insert, to click the tab insert. You go to extreme right corner in the ribbon of insert. You will see there is equation and symbols. So you click on equation. Once you click on equation, it brings up different equations. In mathematics, we have these ones, this one, we have expression of sum, we have Fourier series, more equation for office.com, and once you click on it, more equation and the formulas will appear. First law of exponent, first property of radicals, function, addition. So you choose any and you customize it. Let us take this one. and we customize it. So to customize the equation, you come and click where there is a letter or where you want to modify to put your own character. We can click here at A. Let us first. Let me hope that now we were seeing very well. We have increased the font or the size of our screen. Now, to customize the formula, this is our formula. We want to customize it and we get a new formula or a new equation out of it. You can say, we want to say 2a. You bring the cursor here at 2, at a, and you put 2. That is 2a over 3b plus c. We remove c, we remove d, and we put f equals 2ad, 2ad over 3bf, 3bf plus bd plus 3bd, 3bd. So assuming that we want to see such kind of equation, so that is how we can modify this one. So again, we can bring another one. You go back to insert, go to equation, and then you bring, let us say, let us take this one. We bring this one. So even this one, we can modify it. Even these signs, you can remove them. For example, you can remove equal signs here above the ribbon. Above in the ribbon, below the design tab, there is signs. We can say either greater, that is it. We can include, or this one, you make it Y, you remove X, and you say Y. Anything you want to modify. This one, you can say pi r. This one, you can remove and you put square root. So with the formulas, I hope you are now seeing the formulas and the equations very well. So these equations, you modify them basing to your need. If you want to change symbols here, in the symbols, we have seen them in design tab. You come here, design tab, they are here very many. All symbols, all mathematical symbols, calculation symbols you want, they are here. Everything. So another functions, they are here. You come here and you look for different functions you want to include in your formula or equation, because now this is the functions we have in the calculations. Are you seeing all of them? They are here. You just put a cursor where you want, assuming we want the function here. This is our cursor. We come here and we click on this one. It will appear here. After appearing, we customize. You remove this one. You remove this one and you put, let us say 40. You come below here. You remove this one and you say maybe 80 y. So that is how we insert that's how we insert mathematical equations in Microsoft Word documents together with diagrams, set and Venn diagrams. as we have seen. So far that is what we had today, and I hope you have learned something out of it. Have a blessed day.